Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix messenger notification not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb button. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messenger from here showing you messenger app. Click on messenger app, click on storage and cache and clear cache messenger app. After clear cache messenger app, you will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.